Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweet Arts channel. We are a locally owned baking supply store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cakes, cookies, and more. In this video, I will show you how to decorate sugar cookies with buttercream. Most of the sugar cookies that you see today are decorated with royal icing. This icing is often preferred by decorators because it allows them to create any design on their cookie, and it dries hard, which is great for packaging. While royal icing is a popular icing to use on cookies, nothing beats the classic taste of buttercream and sugar cookies. Continue watching this video to learn a few techniques for decorating with buttercream. Let's get started.
To decorate these cookies, start by coloring your buttercream with your desired food colors and fill tipless bags with each color. Start by outlining the face, hair, and hat on the top piece of this cookie set. Fill in the face with horizontal zigzags, making sure there are no gaps between the lines. Pipe zigzags in the opposite direction for the hair and the first section on the hat. Then fill in the last section using horizontal lines. Pipe a rectangle in the center of the face for the nose, then outline and fill in the mustache. Add 2 lines at the top of the face for the eyebrows, then pipe 2 half circles under each eyebrow for the eyes. Finish the piping on this cookie by outlining the white sections and adding 2 dots on the hat with a curved connecting line. To decorate the body, start by outlining the shoulder pads, then the sleeves, cuffs, and hands. Pipe a long rectangle for the belt near the bottom of the cookie, then fill in the jacket details with your desired color of buttercream. Fill in each section with zigzags, making sure to alternate the direction for the shoulder pads, arms, and belt. Pipe small dots along the intersection of the jacket, then connect them with curved lines. Repeat these steps for the jacket section under the belt. Add a small detail under each shoulder pad. Finish the piping on this cookie by adding a buckle on top of the belt. To decorate the legs, outline the pants, cuffs, boots, and feet with your desired color of buttercream. Pipe zigzags to fill in each section, making sure to alternate the direction for each. Pipe 5 small dots on either side of the boot, then connect them with crisscrossed lines. Next, mix a paint using gold luster dust and a clear grain alcohol such as Everclear. Allow the buttercream to crust over before painting. For the body section of this cookie set, paint the shoulder pads, sleeve and jacket details, and the buckle. Paint the laces on the boots and the detail on the hat section. To decorate the present cookies, start by outlining the bottom section with your desired color. Fill in this section with horizontal zigzags. Outline and fill in the top section with your desired color of buttercream. Pipe 4 bows in this top section, then pipe a line in the center of each, filling in the inside section. Use white buttercream to outline and fill in the tag. Use the same color used for the bows to pipe vertical lines in the center of the cookie. Add zigzags to this section, then pipe horizontal lines and fill in. Pipe a line from the opening in the tag to the corner where the ribbons meet. Write Merry Christmas or your desired message on the tag with black buttercream. Finish this cookie with edible white jewel dust. Store these cookies in a single layer in a cookie box or container.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Leave us a comment down below letting us know if you found this video helpful and if you'd like to decorate your cookies with buttercream or royal icing. Also, be sure to leave any questions below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the new tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the description box below to find our social media links. We love to see your creations and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.